With significant modifications that improve performance and aesthetics, the 2025 Dodge Ram 1500 pickup truck carries on the tradition of being a powerful and adaptable full-size vehicle. Bold and contemporary, the 2025 Ram 1500 flaunts a reworked front grille, slim LED headlamps, and rough body lines that emphasize its refined toughness. There are a variety of aggressive off-road kits available to suit the needs of adventurers and workaholics, and each trim level has its own distinct design components. The Ram 1500 is available with a variety of engines to meet a wide range of demands. If you're after a more balanced performance, go for the normal V6 engine. If you're after more muscle, go for the V8. The eTorque hybrid technology improves gas mileage without reducing power, which is a major plus. To improve efficiency and hauling capacity, Dodge upgrades the hybrid arrangement in 2025. Ram 1500s are the strongest in their class when it comes to towing capacity, with top trims capable of pulling over 12,000 ohms. Modern conveniences and plush seating are hallmarks of the 2025 Ram 1500's cabin design. Stylish upholstery and high-quality materials create an elegant interior, and a state-of-the-art infotainment system provides plentiful connectivity choices. The higher-end models provide an opulent ride with convenient features like leather seating, a huge 12-inch touchscreen, and a computerized driver display that can be personalized to the user's preferences. The Ram 1500 also prioritizes advanced safety measures. You may rest easy knowing that this truck has a 360-degree video system, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. Extra protection in the event of a collision is provided by the truck's many airbags and sturdy frame. With a basic model starting at an estimated $38,000, the 2025 Dodge Ram 1500 is priced affordably. There is a wide selection of options for purchasers to choose from, with higher trims offering a variety of amenities and upgrades that take the price up to the $70,000 area. When it comes to full-size trucks, the 2025 Dodge Ram 1500 is still unrivaled. Its continued success is due to the fact that it manages to combine tough performance with high-end amenities and cutting-edge technology. The Ram 1500 excels in every kind of driving, whether you're taking it for a regular commute, an adventure, or both.